guys, it's me, Chef Doreen. Today I'm going to be making a salmon poke with Aloha Shoyu's spicy teriyaki sauce. Really easy. These are things you can get in your local market or it's already inside your pantry. I have fresh salmon, avocado, I have green onions, sweet onions. This is just a little something special, tobiko if you'd like that. Nomo furikake, which I think most of you have already, and ichimi togarashi. First thing I'm gonna do is I already chopped up my salmon, I diced it, I'm gonna put that in the bowl. I'm gonna add my avocado. I also diced that. Again, this is super easy, guys. Green onions, and you're gonna add really just as much as you want, okay? I love the white onions, and it's not just white onions, it's sweet onions. So it's not so like strong in taste as far as onions go. And I'm adding a little bit of the nomo furikake. And again, this is so easy, guys. At home, you're just gonna mix all the things you want. I like adding just a little bit more ichimi togarashi. I like just extra heat, so I always add a touch more. And of course, the Aloha spicy teriyaki sauce, it already has great spice, but I just like to add a little bit extra. Pour some in first, and then you're gonna just really mix it up, and you're gonna see, oh, look at extra salmon. Mix it up and see how you like, as you know, as much of the teriyaki sauce is in there. If you feel like you need more, you can definitely add more inside. I add the tobiko last just because I feel like I want to just maintain all of that. And as long as you have just a nice combination of your onions, green onions, the avocado, the furikake, this is like going to be such a hit because this is actually little tostadas. I'm gonna make this really fun for everybody. We're so used to eating the nachos or just the poke with chips, but this tobiko just adds that extra pop, which is what I like because you have a lot of different soft textures and it doesn't get any easier. All right, so now that everything's all mixed, it's time to eat it. All right, you can have your wontons. I made these myself, do them whole, so because these are my little square tostadas, or for somebody with a smaller mouth, I cut them in half. All right, this is gonna be so good. And the smaller one might be great for somebody with a smaller mouth, just because you can kind of take it in one bite. Here you go, guys. Oh my God, this is so good. You're gonna get the crunch of your wontons, you're gonna get the pop of the tobiko, the salmon and the avocado has that nice smoothness, which I really love. And of course, just a little bit of crunch from your sweet onions. It's the perfect combination and balance of flavors, and the spicy teriyaki sauce just really pulls it all together. And this couldn't make for an easier poke dish that you can serve for your friends or just casually if you want to. Thank you, Aloha.